So I did Florence Nightingale as my woman of significance. Florence Nightingale was born on the 12th of May 1820. She was actually born in the city called Florence, and that's why her parents named her Florence. This in the background is her childhood home. Her family were extremely wealthy, but she wanted to do a job that was considered for poor people, and her parents strongly opposed that choice. Finally, her parents gave in, and she attended a school in Germany for 3 months. The following year, the Crimean War began, and Florence Nightingale was horrified at the medical facilities for soldiers. Florence Nightingale led a team of 38 people out to the barrack hospital in Scutari, and they'd all been trained in what she believed in, which was hygiene and good food and a good bed for soldiers. She returned in 1856 to England, and she established a school and published a book so that her medical knowledge could be widely spread. I think Florence Nightingale is historically significant because she's the reason why when you go into the doctors or when you have an operation, the room is so clean, and if it hadn't have been for her, you would have gone into an operation and you could have possibly caught diseases like typhus. If it hadn't have been for Florence Nightingale, there wouldn't be so many women in the army. Women were encouraged to go into the army as medics, which actually really helped, and now just under 30% of the women in the army are women. She is remembered today and was the only woman to be on the British currency, but that changed in 2002.